Kelly opening the door. We are in the Del Webb community today, and we're going to go through models. This is a 55 plus community, brand new in North Fort Myers. So let's see what we got here, Kelly.
Check out this master bedroom.
His and hers den.
One walk-in closet. Your linen closet. And then you walk into the bathroom, and I absolutely love these partial windows for the shower. Double vanities. Nice, deep shower. And then check it out. Another closet that takes you to the laundry room.
Oh, how cool is that? The walk-through laundry room. Awesome. It's not sunny here today in sunny Southwest Florida.